Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 5 Trey, the spot where you get real honest reviews with no hype and no fluff. Today we're checking out something super cool, the XREAL Air 2 Pro display glasses. These are not just glasses, they're like a big screen you can wear. I've tested a bunch of display glasses this year, but these are my favorite, and I'll tell you exactly why. Quick heads up, everything I talk about is linked in the description below, so feel free to check it out later. Their lightweight design, comfortable fit with adjustable nose pads, and the inclusion of a snap-on shade enhance usability. The electrochromic dimming feature, allowing 3 levels of tint, adds convenience, though some users find it less effective than the clip-on shade. While the glasses excel in media consumption and gaming, their augmented reality capabilities are limited, and the Nebula app lacks polish. Priced at $449, the Pro model's additional features may not justify the extra cost for all users. If you're interested in the XREAL Air 2 Pro, check out the link below. The XREAL Air 2 Pro glasses let you see a huge screen, up to 330 inches, just by wearing them. They plug into your phone, laptop, game console, or anything with USB-C or HDMI. It's like carrying a movie theater in your pocket. Whether you're watching Netflix, playing games, or working on the go, these glasses change the game. I travel a lot, and these are perfect for road trips or flights. I can play my Steam Deck or Nintendo Switch and see everything on a huge screen. I can watch shows from my phone and feel like I'm right there in the action. I can even get some work done by plugging them into my MacBook. Picture is sharp, bright, and colorful. Everything just looks really good. Here's what you get: the glasses, a hard carrying case, prescription lens frame, 3 sizes of nose pads, cleaning cloth, USB-C cable, light dimmer. There are buttons on the side for power, brightness, and dimming. It even has tiny speakers built in, and they sound better than I expected. If I plug the glasses into my phone, it mirrors the screen. That means I can watch YouTube, movies, or even scroll on social media. And for gaming? Oh yeah, you can plug these into your Steam Deck, ROG Ally, or Nintendo Switch using the XREAL hub. You don't even need the Switch dock. The hub takes care of everything. Just plug it in and you're good to go. It's simple, fast, and the quality is awesome. Now, if you want to go even further, there's something called the Beam. It lets you use the glasses with your PS5, Xbox, or anything with HDMI. It also gives you extra modes. Body anchor, keeps the screen steady. Smooth follow, great for when you're in a car or train. Side view, shrinks the screen to one corner so you can multitask. The Beam even has its own storage and battery, so you can download shows and watch them offline. Here's the quick tech rundown. Sony Micro OLED screens, 1080p per eye, up to 120Hz refresh rate, bright at 500 nits, certified for top color quality. In simple terms, the picture looks amazing, and it feels like using a pro-level monitor, but in glasses. These glasses are seriously cool. I can chill on the couch, lay in bed, or sit on a plane and still enjoy a big screen experience without carrying a single monitor. No more hunching over my phone. If you love games, movies, or just cool new tech, the XREAL Air 2 Pro is worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less. So be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.